2005 S2000 Ap2. It's got 75,000 kilometers right now. Ontario registered vehicle. Picked that up maybe around 2-3 years ago from an older gentleman, around 75 years old. Well, he said because of his knee problem and stuff, he couldn't drive this anymore. But he used to baby this car, so I thought it was a sweet deal. And I actually went all the way to Port Hope and I towed it back here to Markham just to get it registered. So yeah, clean title, no accidents, no nothing. That's why I'm trying to keep it as stock, as clean as possible. So all the mods that I put on is all bolt-on stuff. So
bolt-on, okay.
Even though if I need to go sell it after, right, I can still unbolt it, or I still have all the original parts where the next owner can probably put it back on or something like that. So yeah.
Okay, so what rims you have on here?
So these are the set of RPF 1s. The front is 17x8, rear 17x9, all at 45 offset. They're wrapped in Indy 500. Front with 225 45 17. The rear is 255 40 17. Suspension wise, it was installed with HSD coilover.
Okay.
So it's adjustable with the height. I'm still trying to set it as the right setting, because right now if I drive by myself, I don't have any rubbing issues or anything.
Right.
But if I do carry like a passenger, I sometimes when I go into a corner a little bit faster, I do get a little bit of rubbing. A lot of guys when they install this rear side tire onto the car, they will have to roll the rear fenders, but I try to keep it clean, so I haven't rolled it or anything. That's why
original, yeah.
Keep it as original as possible, right?
Right.
So seats are not changed yet. Exhaust, I have Jay's Racing header with a high flow cat and a Grady catback to finish it off. Brakes, still original calipers and stuff, but I put in a set of Hawk pads, HP Plus, just to get a better stopping power. Other than that, custom airbox. I purchased another old S2000 airbox, and I cut everything inside just to make it the way that I want it to be. I want it to be a closed box system. Try to get as much cool air trapped as possible.
Right.
And then I also put a spoon strut bar. On top. And other than that, I'm still trying to work on the vehicle, because it will only be fun if I do it slowly and it takes time to do it, right? So, not planning to go any wide body or anything. I think this is the way that it's gonna look. Like I'm just gonna try to keep it as this look, but in the future maybe I'm looking towards to put 2 more seats in there. Then
Right. I think it looks great how it is, like you know, keeping it the way it is. Instead of the wide body.
So just trying to keep it as original, as clean as possible. I don't really drive this. I'll probably drive it maybe once or twice every 2 weeks.
And you said it doesn't come out in the rain?
It doesn't come out in the rain.
Yeah.
If I know weather is cold, I don't really bring it out. When I know it's gonna rain, I'm not gonna bring it out. Only on sunny days or max is cloudy days, like today. So.
Oh, I see what you're saying. So you won't be able to.
But if my seat is too wide, it's gonna block this door.
Right.
Which if I block this door, I can't even open this guy.
Can't open that one, yeah.
They won't even like this. But
so what's your options?
Only the Recaro pole position or something with like, I think the width I can't pass like 28 or something.
Okay, appreciate it, man. Thanks.
No worries.
Wow.
So as you can see, that's the Spoon Racing strut bar, and my headers are down there. I don't know if you can still see the imprint, but there's an imprint there. It says it's Jay's Racing. Nothing much in the engine bay. Still clean. The valve cover is not flaking yet, so.
Yeah. You said this is 75K on here?
75,000 kilometers, yeah.
What's roughly horsepower?
Roughly horsepower from stock is probably around 230 to 240. So maybe with the bolt-on sound around 240. I haven't gotten it tuned yet. Still looking for maybe like a standalone or something that I can tune it with, but trying to finish everything off and then I want to go for a tune afterwards. But nothing major. I'm only using it on the street. I'm not tracking it or anything, so not looking for like max performance tune. Just something that is easier or a little bit faster on the street. But other than that, it's all
nice clean setup. Yeah.
Trying to keep it clean and simple. That's it.
All right, appreciate it, man. Thanks for showing us under the bonnet there.
No problem.
And go ahead and close her up there. This is the best though, like even like if I had one of these, I'd do it the same way.